Hi everyone, are you thinking of switching from Twitter or X to a Threads? Here's how to move without losing your followers. Let's get started. First, you need to announce the switch. Before you go silent on Twitter, let your followers know. So post a pinned tweet like, I'm moving to Threads, follow me there for the fresh content. And this creates an awareness and keeps your audience informed. Then after that, you can sync with Instagram. Threads pulls directly from your Instagram, so your followers already follow you there. They'll see your profile suggested on Threads. Ask your IG followers to follow you on Threads for more content. Then, use the same username, profile picture, and bio across all platforms because this makes you instantly recognizable and build trust with existing followers. And also, don't start from scratch. Repost your best performing tweets as threads. Add a little polish or update them to fit the thread's tone, but reuse what already work. And don't just post, interact. Reply to others, start conversation, and comment on the post or topics. And this gets you noticed and helps build a new community fast. And for the smoother transition, stay active on Twitter and Threads temporarily. And posted this on Thread first, and this drives FOMO encouragement migration. And switching platforms doesn't mean losing followers. If done right, it's an opportunity to grow. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.